It is, yes. That's a funnel cloud. Yeah, probably not. Can you tell if it's rotating or is it just a weird shaped cloud?
I think it's just a weird shaped cloud.
Now we're closer. I think it's a weird shaped cloud. What are you doing, Jenny? Is it rotating? If it's not rotating, then it's just a funky cloud.
I think it's a funky cloud.
Yeah.
It's not even touching the ground. No, I see it rotating.
I do not.
I see it rotating. You see how big that cloud is? That would be gray.
Wait a minute, baby.
Wait, I see it touching the ground.
Oh, it is?
Yes.
Yeah, it is.
Yes.
It is, yes.
Yes, yes,
That is a tornado.
Oh, dude, you guys counted.
Yeah, the way that
Look at that.
the way that the cloud is moving.
Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Let's drive into it.
No, sweetie, it's over there. It's not even hitting the ground, but that's a tornado up in the air.
Oh, and it's breaking up. It's fizzling out.
Yay! Boo! Boo! Tornado! Boo!
That's right. We don't want it to hurt anybody.
I hate you, tornado!
But Alex, the people that are on the ground